Good morning, everybody. It's Miss Street. I hope you're having a really good morning. I'm coming to you from inside my house because if you remember yesterday, Miss Street tried to do this lesson outside, and I went back to watch and I noticed that my video froze and you might not have got to see it all. So I am going to do it from inside my house, but don't worry, we're still going to use our Easter eggs. And since Miss Street was very allergic yesterday too, I brought some grass inside, but it's okay. I got it contained. So, kindergarten, are you ready to sing it all? Whoops. So, are you ready to Subatize? You ready? Hey, Anna! Here we go. Miss Street's got some special music for us this morning. Here we go. Are you ready? We're going to go on an Easter egg hunt in Miss Street's house. I brought real grass in. I mean, I think it's really weeds, but again, Miss Street doesn't do a whole lot of planting, okay? Can you hear me? Let me make sure my volume's all the way up. There we go. All right, Subatize. Here we go. Good morning. Here we go. Are you ready? Here we go. Let me turn my camera around. I can do this. I see some eggs. What did you see? 3. Awesome. Let's go for more. There's another Easter egg. How many do you see? 1. Where's my finger? All right, let's keep going. Looking for Easter eggs. Oh, there's some more. How many do we see? Subatize. 2. Here we go. There's some more. How many do you see? 4. Hey, Lori. Let's keep going on our Easter egg hunt. How many do we see here? Don't say nothing. Remember what has a value? 0. Good job. All right, let's keep going. Oh, there's some more. How many do you see? 4. Great job, everybody. Let me get this music stopped. I like that. That sounds kind of fun. It's actually called Summer. Who's looking forward to some summertime? That'd be me. So, boys and girls, the standard that we're working on today is called K.OA.3, but what that means is that you're able to decompose numbers within 10 and into pairs. And this is kind of like what your teacher's been doing with you about number bonds. Does that ring a bell? Maybe? So Miss Street's gonna set her iPad up here, and I'm gonna hope for the best because I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm trying something new again, and it's okay to try new things, and it's okay if it doesn't work out. But remember, one of the biggest things we're talking about, and I hate, let me turn it this way, is quantity and magnitude. In any lesson that Miss Street teaches, I want to be sure that I'm talking about quantity and magnitude, the actual amount of something, and the magnitude is the size. And if you remember yesterday, we did this with our Kit Kat bars. Hello. We did this with Kit Kat bars. We said, okay, Zeb, do you want a Kit Kat bar? And he said, yeah. And I gave him that one. And then I said, Jesse, do you want a Kit Kat bar? And he said, yes. And so Zeb got kind of upset because why? Well, this Kit Kat bar is way bigger than this Kit Kat bar, right? But there's still one Kit. This is a Kit Kat bar, and this is a Kit Kat bar. So quantity and magnitude matter. All right, let me see. You saw my breakfast pizza. No judgment. Very good. All right, so here is where we got to yesterday. I hope you can hear me. If you can't, somebody shout out and let me know. Send me a text. So here's where we were yesterday. And our video, like I said, got canceled. But we had 10 Easter eggs. And our Easter eggs, they all had candy in them. So we were looking to see with our tens frame how many pieces how many eggs had candy and how many eggs have no candy. In kindergarten, it's really important for you guys to not try to use the plus sign and the equal sign. It's more important for you to understand more of the concepts, like 10 have candy and 0 have no candy. If your kiddo's ready to do the algorithm or the equation, they always need to show a picture with it. They can use the eggs or draw or whatever. So yesterday, and I also have my number bond here so you guys can see, this is the same thing. So for instance, if I were to put, well, I'll do the number bond with the next one, okay? So yesterday, which I think, like I said, the video got frozen. So, and that's okay, but we went down. We had 9 had candy and 1 did not. 8 had candy and 2 did not. Then we got to 7 had candy and 3 did not, and that's where we are. You see the 3 that do not have candy, and then we see the 7 that do. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to say, okay, well, I'm going to take the candy out of this egg. Bye-bye, candy. So now what do I have? How many do I have with candy? I have 6. Miss Street doesn't know if she can write upside down, but she sure is going to try. Ooh, that looks okay. 6 and, wow, this is very impressive. I think you should try this. 6 and, how many do not have candy now? Can you subitize that? 4, that's right. I don't know if I can do my 4 upside down. 4. So we know that 6 and 4 has the same value as 10. So my number bond, here I have 10, here I have 6, and here I have, Miss Street can't do it upside down, 4. We can also show this with our vertical number line, and I really want you to see this so you can see the pattern. So we're using the green color to show that we have candy. So here we have 6 that have candy. I'm just using a crayon to color that in. 6 have candy and 4 do not. Okay, and then I'm also showing it with my magnitude. So, this is our parts equal total, but this is a good tool you'll use later in life. So we have 5, 6, 7, and we know that 7 is greater than 3. So that's why our 3 only has a part of the whole, not more than 7. So I'm going to take away that piece of candy, and now I have what? 6. And then I added 1 over here to say, well, now I have 6 with candy, but I have 4 without. So my magnitude gets smaller on the candy side, but bigger on the no candy side, okay? But still, we still have more with candy than without. Can you even see that on the tens frame? Awesome. So here we go. We're going to take another one. So I'm going to take another piece of candy. Bye-bye, candy. All right. What do you see? What do we have? How many do we have with candy? We have 5. I don't know. Yeah, I did it. 5, and how many are without candy? 5. We can see that on the tens frame. So we can say 5 and 5 have the same value as 10, but some have candy and some do not, and that's always important to label. So let's show it with our tens frame, or vertical number line. So we're going to go, we have 5 pieces of candy. Let me try to make it as equal as I can. And then we have 5 with no candy. Can you see what's happening here? Do you see what's happening? Our green is getting less, and our red is getting more. That's important. All right, we're going to take away that piece of candy here and no candy. So we have 5, and I could actually make them look the same. We have 5 and 5, so our parts are equal. So 5 and 5 have the same value as 10. Let's keep going. So I'm going to take out another piece of candy. So now what do we have? How many are without, or how many have candy? Excuse me. That's what we're doing here is what has candy? I can subitize. I see 4. I'm going to just do it that way. 4 and how many don't have candy? Do you see? 5 and 1, 6. Good, but didn't we have that up here? We had 6 and 4, and now we have 4 and 6. They both have the same value as 10. 4 have candy and 6 do not have candy, but we still have a total of 10 eggs. So let's show it here. We've got 4 that has candy, and we have 6 that does not. Whew. Okay, and then we took away this piece of candy, and we're adding it over here. Holy smokes, what happened to our magnitude? Yeah, it's shifting over, isn't it? So we have more pieces or more eggs that don't have candy in them than we have 4 eggs, or then we have eggs with candy in them. So parents, as you do this, I really want you to see. I'm going to try to hold this up and make sure you can see it. It's really important for the kiddos to see 10 and 0, 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 4. And this is the way that's going to build their math fact fluency rather than just trying to use flashcards. So, and I hope that they can see the magnitude and quantity as the candies that have, the eggs that have candy are getting smaller, but the eggs that don't have candy are getting bigger, and that's really important. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. I think we're still going to work within this because this is really, really important for kindergarten. Have a great day. Play outside, but don't forget, if you have allergies like Miss Street, to make sure you have your allergy medicine, because Miss Street got really messed up yesterday with her allergies. So I love you guys. Have a great day.